Hello mga ka-PDAX, good afternoon, and we will be starting very soon. Relax muna tayo dyan with this music. I hope everyone is excited for the Crypto News Weekly that we will be having in just a couple of minutes. So stay tuned, invite your friends, and comment naman kayo dyan. Saan kayo galing? Saan nyo gusto? And I hope you're staying safe. See you in a bit. 3, 2, 1. And we are live. Good afternoon mga ka-PDAX and welcome to, na-notice niyo ba yung bagong name namin? Crypto News Weekly with PDAX. Good afternoon. If this is your first time watching this, welcome. We are PDAX and we are the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies very easily, right? Now, if this is not your first time, hello mga ka-PDAX. Comment naman tayo dyan. Hello, Reynaldo, Nelson, Dexter, Kim, Niklas, Jeremy, Dexter, Reynaldo. Good afternoon naman dyan. And thank you for coming. Now, if I could ask for one favor, it's that you comment, like, and share this video, no? Kasi may pag-giveaway ulit tayo mamayang hapon na to. Right? So my name is Kyle, and here with me, my co-hosts are none other than Nix and Tim. So I'll be inviting them over right here. Hey, Nix. Hey, Tim.
Hey!
Sorry guys, wait lang. Kailangan ko yung camera.
Sige,
Wait
no
lang.
worries. Naging camera na si Tim, no?
Wait lang. Sige lang.
Okay lang, sige. Hello, Rika. Shoutout muna tayo sa mga kapidax natin. Hello, Rika, Williard, Iris, Flor de Liza.
Hello.
Dami natin Thank you guys for coming. Si Ilej, ano yan? Previous winner yan, so she can prove.
Manalo.
Ano yan?
Manalo ulit.
Yan. Okay, baka manalo ulit. So comment, like, and share this video. Come on, before we start.
We want to know where you guys are watching from. So please comment the city. Sang city ba tayo in the Philippines? Just comment it below. You want to know where viewers are at. And if you're watching this from our Facebook page, we would really, really appreciate it if you can give this a like and share it on your wall so that more Filipinos will be aware about cryptocurrencies and we can push this movement forward.
Tama. Yeah. Daming iba-iba. The gig.
Nag-remind para sa sarili nila to watch this Crypto News Weekly natin. So thanks guys sa mga nag-G sa comment section. Shoutout, comment lang kayo.
Yon, G, Las Palmas City, Spain. Yan, si Reynaldo from Spain. Thank you, sir. Hola. Hola ba talaga? Ewan ko. Sorry, sir.
May tanong ako kay Sir Reynaldo Ang tagal ko na iniisip meet mo na ba si Dora the Explorer somewhere? Parang dyan lang siya somewhere. Ayan, thank you so much, Share.
Thank you so much, Share. Thank you. You have a chance to win PDAX shirt, guys. If you share, like and share.
And meron pa, bukod sa PDAX shirt.
Meron pa.
So, yeah. Meron pa. So, guys, we're also gonna be giving away some Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, okay? In the form of Shopee vouchers, no? So, just to share, we're gonna announce it later on, but we are live again inside Shopee, no? Inside Shopee Mall. So, if you want to buy vouchers, maybe as gifts of friends, a family, getting them into crypto, it's now available on Shopee. And to celebrate that launch, we'll be giving away prizes later. So comment, share, give us a like, drop in your best questions to have a chance to win some of those XRP, BTC, Ethereum prizes that we'll be giving away.
And so Gina, guys. Gina G. Sana, we'll be able to give away more if we reach 100 viewers, at least 100 viewers. So, ready na ba kayo, guys? Tim and Nix, excited to start this Crypto News Weekly? Ayan, CNW PDAX. Ayan, Crypto News Weekly with PDAX. So, let's start. Okay. Share ko na yung screen ko. Let us begin. Kasi marami rin, guys. I mean, it's always something new or something very exciting. Oh, there you go. Nawala. Okay, there. So, welcome. This is PDAX, and we will now begin our presentation. So, comment naman Kuya James. G na G. Kung G, talaga kayo. So, welcome to our Crypto News Weekly. Before we begin, we would like to announce or have the following disclaimers, right? So number one, the views and opinions that are expressed in this webinar are only that of the presenters and do not necessarily reflect the company's views. Go
Yeah,
ahead, Nix or Tim. Yeah.
the statements being made are not to be treated as an investment advice or financial advice. So please exercise caution when buying and selling cryptocurrencies as they are highly volatile.
Yon.
Let's see that next.
PDAX, if this is your first time or if this is your second time, regardless of PDAX or Philippine Digital Exchange, we are a BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas licensed digital asset exchange, which allows Filipinos to buy and sell digital assets such as BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, USDT, USDC, and our 1 month na that we have launched our Link, Uniswap, GRT, Engine, BAT, and Compound. No? So if this is your first time seeing this, you're not sure sino ba tong mga tatlo to, ano ba to PDAX, well, just go to our website, pdax.ph, or open your mobile app, open your Play Store or Apple Store Huawei App Gallery and just type in PDAX or PDAX and download their app to learn more.
Yan. And then, so as we said earlier, ask questions, comment your thoughts, and share this Facebook Live for a chance to win a PDAX shirt. And not only that, but if we reach 100 viewers, and as we get more and more viewers, lalaki yan, yung prize pool na yan for this stream, no? We will be giving away vouchers on Shopee for claiming cryptocurrencies. Alam mo yan, Shopee, punta na lang Shopee, kukuha ka ng free Bitcoin XRP. Sarap naman ng experience na yan, no? So, shout out sa mga XRP army nga, sabi ni Emmanuel, no? Sabi rin ni Judith, we're recovering, claim it. So we have news about that. We have a new section or a new portion of the show. It's named Tim's Trading Corner. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that, no? As Tim will be sharing with us his expert trading charts and we'll be giving our thoughts. And, as we mentioned kanina na not trading financial advice, it's still, we're just giving you an idea. And at the end of the day, you always do your own research. But we move on. So,
sharing his insights about expert insights about Ethereum. So sa mga maximalists dyan, just comment. Katie will also share his insights. So just to no.
Shout out si Nix yung mas ETH maximalist sabihin ko lang. Si Nix yung mas ETH maximalist. Sinasabi ko lang yan.
Shout out si Bench. Nag-comment siya, I'm only here for the raffle. Okay lang, sir. Thank you for being here.
Regardless, thank you, sir.
Eventually, hindi lang, like, mapapamahal mo ka din sa amin. And by SLP, yes, we hear you and that's a possibility. So stay tuned for that. Sige, yun na.
Yung post natin about Shopee Mall, no? So we're now on PDAX Shopee Mall. If you want to buy XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, pwede na through this method. Okay? And we have the Refer a Friend Plus promo ongoing right now for the month of August to August 31, no? We have more mechanics on our post on our Facebook page, no? But basically, gain up to 10,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. Imagine, magre-refer ka na lang ng PDAX user, isang friend mo, katropa mo, up to 50 pesos per redeem of verification. No? So, why not? Invite your friends to come and join PDAX and verify and stand a chance na you can gain up to 10K kasi tig 50 ang user na verification promo. No? And malay mo, during this August, aakyat pa si Bitcoin. So, edi may potential pa na it's more kasi you'll be receiving it in Bitcoin and not in PHP. So, may exposure ka na to Bitcoin. Ayun ba yan, mga kapila?
Yeah, more and more people are now into cryptocurrency. So now is really the best time for you to convince your friends, your relatives to learn more about it. It's not basically like giving the referral code itself, no, but most likely you have to really do your part as well to share how it works, what crypto is, what PDAX offers. So yeah, good luck and sana kumita kayo dyan ng malaki.
Right. So let's now begin. Crypto News Weekly. Let's get to it. But first, shout out muna kay Idol. Ma'am Heidelin Diaz. Congratulations for our first gold medal in the Olympics ever. We're proud of you and we support you. Dun kami lang sa sideline, sa mga audience, no? We're there lang in supporting you.
Meron ba, no? Meron ba dito nakapag-claim nung PDAX first gold na code? Comment kayo below if you were able to get the 50 pesos. Ayun, meron nga. Rinaldo.
Yan, si Ronaldo naka-claim. So, without further ado, let's get to it. First news. Gone in 30 seconds. Yield Guild Games, $12.5 million token sale sells out fast. YGG touts itself as a play-to-earn gaming guild, attracting gamers to its platform in order to earn tokens through blockchain-based economies. First up in its order business will be the distribution of YGG tokens among its communities as a means of rewarding early participation. So the move comes shortly on the heels of a $1.3 million fundraising in March from Delphi Digital, Block Tower Capital, among others. It also raised $4 million in June in a funding round that was led by Bitcraft with participation from Parafy Capital and Mechanism Capital. So, bakit namin pinipresent dito? I think many of you know, but basically YGG is gaming guild. So they can congregate as players who earn. And they participate, alam niyo na, in Axie and other play-to-earn games, no? But they're basically a guild. So lahat ng mga, parang organization siya. And maybe some of you know na yung founder, si Gabby Dizon, he's a Filipino. So, Pinoy pride once again. After, yung Olympics, ngayon we have the YGG. So it's putting up the face of Crypto PH. So we're very excited for what this has in store, no? So, yeah. See. Next, baka ano yung thoughts mo about YGG?
Well, first the good, no? The good is this is big. YGG. It's not just a Filipino, like it's not like na parang Philippines na yung serve, pero you
Actually,
have
yeah.
to acknowledge the roots, no? Syempre, some of the founders, and I assume most of their scholars, most of the people that their community are also from the Philippines, no? As YGG is primarily a lot of what they do is now access, but I know they have other games in the pipeline or they're also present in other games. So they're really good, This is a good like business, good brand and a good thing to happen for the crypto space, no? So they did maybe this is a record, no? 30 seconds, it's over. On the flip side lang here is if something is up now for 30 seconds, what does that mean? It means marami ring hindi naka-join, no? So I think there's just some concern there, but otherwise, regardless, it's now up on multiple nga ba na DeFi the decentralized exchanges. I think it's in a couple, no? And it's selling now. I think the price is at $2 a piece. So yeah, it's good overall. I think what Yield Guild Games has done is something that maybe has never been done before. Not just the 30 seconds tapos na, like the concept, no? Like owning this metaverse, this whole space. It's based on it's not even Axie. It's one thing to say na oy Axie made the record breaking sale. Yeah, it's kind of is the game. But this is like a company within alam mo yun, like it's something that's even
Within.
yeah, within it, like they built off of an ecosystem that's already existing. So this is really impressive. And if you guys have been, at all curious about NFTs, about even play to earn, like you have to pay close attention to Yield Guild Games. They're doing amazing things right now.
Agree. And yeah, so sabi nga ni Nick, thank you for pointing that out. They may be started by like Filipino, pero distributed sila eh. They have chapters in different countries of Southeast Asia. So hindi lang siya in one country. So talagang decentralized and very amazing what they're trying to do and what they have done as from the news of today. It was like Tuesday yata eh. Last Tuesday yung nag-release sila if I'm not mistaken. Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Ayun. Congrats to Idol Gabby Dizon raw sabi ni Bench. Yeah.
gone in 3 seconds, no? So, sa mga nag-abang nung oras na yun, parang wala ka talaga chance makabili kasi like sobrang bilis, nag-close agad siya sa sushi swap, di ba?
Yeah.
I agree with Nick's na parang it was super quick in the sense that we're not I don't wanna cause FUD, wala naman gano'n 'no, pero like, may mga nakabili ng sobrang laking ano, volume talaga ng YGG. Um, but in terms of like, I haven't gone through with their white paper too much pero looking at their investors, Bitcraft, Parafy Capital, these are big names then, especially Bitcraft in terms of the gaming industry. But I think one thing that I would um like okay sa akin yung balita na parang there's a lot of NFT play to earn games that came out recently. This will definitely, um, I would say, strike a big challenge to Axie Infinity to do better than like than what they are doing right now. Kasi given that there's a competition already, the demand could probably since malaki yung trading volume nila. So ano ba, $10 billion, if I'm not
Mm.
mistaken.
Malaki.
They wanna get fair share of the pie. So it's either like other Axie traders or traders might also consider other options. So given a good set of people managing or who will be building this relatively new token, for me it's a good news because competition will already be there. I'm sure before YGG marami na ring mga NFT play to earn games na nagsilabasan. Although some I've noticed medyo some people there when I look at their communities parang they're a bit disappointed kasi yung iba medyo betting game lang. It's not really like typical play to earn scheme like how Axie is doing it. So yeah, well, pretty exciting. Hopefully, this game, yung mga game na release ni YGG in the future would be a good one.
To clarify, Tim, they're a gaming guild. So they'll
Good luck.
play to earn games. So actually, it's very good na parang right now si Axie parang collaboration niya with Axie, but then also parang in the future they don't want to be just dependent on Axie kasi who knows rin where Axie can not saying it's good, not bringing FUD Nix, relax hindi ako nagpo-FUD sa Axie pero they don't want to also they want to make sure na they're really a play to earn guild na kahit kung there are other play to earn games that pop up, they want to be part of that also. Para they're also not fragile, diba? In case one breaks down, then they'll be safeguarded against others.
For those who are missed out on the token sale and you haven't really had the chance to buy it in the exchanges that it's available on, you can join their Discord. No, just type Guild Games and you have a chance because I think they're saying that the community can mine these coins by how active and how helpful you are in their community. You can actually earn these tokens. No, so you might not even have to spend a single peso and you can get a hold of these join their Discord for more information. I haven't read everything about it, but it's
Tama.
there, it's an option.
Yep. And last na, before we move on, when you own a token kasi you own a portion, parang you're an owner na in what they own. So parang shareholder in a sense na whatever they earned from their scholars through the payment scheme they have, you technically sort of have access. You own a portion of those funds, right? So that's the utility of the token, and also it's a governance token, if I'm not mistaken. So, sorry,
Hindi umabot.
I dropped the link of the website and then you just click the Discord logo. That's their website and then just click their logo. The logo of Discord. So you'll get there.
Thanks, Nix. Moving on. Next one, Tim, go ahead. Oh, favorite ni Tim to.
Yeah. Wait lang. Ayan. So
Ay, sorry.
MicroStrategy pledges to buy more BTC despite paper loss on its holdings of $424.8 million in Q2. So as of June 30, 2021, MicroStrategy held an approximated 105,885 BTC with a carrying value of almost $2 billion, and a total impairment loss of 689.6 million dollars since acquisition of the digital asset. All right, so
Bang! Sailor Moon.
buy the dips pa rin.
Buy the dips. Imagine being, imagine saying buy the dip when you have an impairment loss of $689 million. What a guy! What a guy, Tim. What do you think, Tim? Ang lakas ng conviction ni Sailor Moon, eh, no? That's the sorry, Michael Sailor. Nasanay na sa Sailor Moon. But yeah, like, what do you think? Should he continue to buy the dip, or will we reserve that later for Tim's trading corner?
Grabe. Ah, sobrang we all know Michael Saylor naman na parang is really a BTC maximalist. So parang it's not surprising anymore to hear that they will be buying more despite um losses incurred like the past few months. But it only goes to show that they're really confident. They really believe in its fundamentals. They're not really looking at price per se, but they really want to, in the long run, accumulate more BTC pa rin. So I guess Michael Saylor says it all. If you know him, you know this is what he's gonna do. Diba? So it's expected. It's expected. Next, what do you think? Are you buying?
Mm, well, actually, in this specific news, I'm not surprised. First of all, MicroStrategy, that's what they'll do. The day that they say they won't do it, that's for me is the news. I mean, I'm not saying this news isn't important. I'm just saying the day that he says we're no longer gonna buy, we're stopping, we're gonna think about it. For me, that's a bigger news. Like this is something that they will do regardless. But what does this mean for everyone? I think what this means for everyone, if one of the biggest, bulls, right? Like on BTC, this is his behavior, regardless of dips I'm buying, then that tells us that hey, um if these guys are doing it, then the guy will do it also. But of course, that's your discretion, your money, your decision. But like these things, it's just what I love about social media now, and yung nakikita natin, like imagine before, like if you were trading Wall Street before, for example, 80s or 90s, right? You wouldn't know what these big guys are doing. Eh. If you were just calling and talking to your stockbroker, I don't know if you guys have watched Wolf of Wall Street, right? Like, they would call the broker pa and then they would make the profits. You wouldn't know that this is what's happening. Now we have the power of information. We know, okay, so we know one of the biggest, bulls of for BTC is doing this. So that should help you make that decision, whatever it is. I don't know. It's your up to you. Pero I think that's the beauty of what's happening now. Now, even we even have a webinar like here where we talk about these things. These things never existed years ago, and I think this is the advantage for everyone now who's into crypto. We have the information, so it's up to us now, to learn more, of course, and make the decision.
I agree. Thank you, Nix, for that. No, and quick commercial break. Hello for those who just tuned in. Hello, don't click off yet. No, don't click off yet. Kasi if you like and share this live and you participate naman in our webinar, hopefully it's entertaining enough naman. I hope you can like and share to win a PDAX shirt. Plus Shopee vouchers for BTC, XRP, and ETH. Especially if we reach 100 viewers, we'll be giving away more, no? So watch out for that. And comment naman kayo dyan. Nandyan pa ba kayo? Baka,
Yeah.
ano na kayo, naging tahimik sa comment section, eh, no? Hope everyone's okay.
Yung
And
mga
if,
padala na natin yung mga t-shirts nila at saka commemorative tokens. So most likely ma-receive nyo na anytime soon.
yeah, thank you for that, no? And that's care of Alfie Conono, our community member, no? So, ayun, no? Ayun, they're commenting, hello, nandito pa. Yes, yes po, nandito pa. So,
Yun.
thank you. And Tim, we'll move on to the next news, or you have some final words with this?
Final word siguro, if you're at loss at the moment, feeling mo luging-lugi ka, isipin mo na lang,
Imagine.
MicroStrategy incurring these much losses. But I think what's really worth noting here is that MicroStrategy is an institution, and then these guys, these investors, can make their money sleep for a long period of time. So that's the kind of attitude an investor wants to, like should have, especially if you're investing in the future. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are gonna be definitely will stay for a long period of time, if not forever, diba? So if you're that guy kind of person who wants to invest sa crypto, then you should have a. I mean, it's not an advice, but of course, it's really important that you have a timeline. It's a long-term timeline. If you're not a trader, though, so yeah, look for Michael Saylor. He has a lot of YouTube videos. You can learn a lot from this guy. Then,
Alright,
yep.
thank you.
Moving on.
All right, moving on. Next, go ahead.
Wow. Coca-Cola officially gets into NFTs for charity. All right. So the OpenSea Marketplace will be holding a 3-day auction for for Coca-Cola branded NFTs or non-fungible tokens starting on July 30 today. So has it launched? I haven't checked, but it's today. Maybe it's happening or already, or
Mamaya
maybe
pa, mamaya
July
pa
30
yan.
baka US time, right? Like something like that. The NFT collections created in partnership with digital designer Daffy were inspired by video game loot boxes and contain hidden surprises. So parang mga mystery box, mga loot box. So if you guys have played mga Call of Duty, like mga ganon, may mga box na nagda-drop yan. You get to, ganun yung concept. And they contain hidden surprises available only to those who purchase the artwork. Okay. Um, this is great stuff, no? I guess I'll just share my thoughts quickly and then para lang we can get it moving to you guys. But I like this for Coca-Cola because it's not a secret. Oh, first of all, guys, comment. I'm really curious. Who here still drinks soft drinks? Like even with the mga alternatives na to soft drinks, who still here drinks Coke or kahit Pepsi? Like, if you still do, please comment Coke or comment me if you do, no. So now, what am I where am I trying to to get here? It's not a secret. The last 2 years, the soft drinks market has taken a slight hit. I don't know how big because I'm not. I don't want to be to give false information, but it has taken a hit in many ways. Why? When milk tea became mainstream, with like mga carbonated drinks na low calories, like there have been alternatives now to soft drinks, and I know some people now have kind of moved away. And part of the challenge for I read an article before na parang that was a challenge for companies like Coke, and even Coke has other products. May tubig nga sila, may water. It's not just the soft drink, no? But what this does is again they're putting themselves in the conversation, and that is what Coke is really good at. No? If you guys watch the Netflix series Stranger Things, have you guys seen that? Like they're there, like they know that that was a thing, and Coke was always there. So this is good, I think. For from a crypto perspective, no, as NFT closely related, when companies like Coke are trying to get in, they know what's at stake, they know where it's going, and I think this is a very very positive. No, this is good. It's not directly tied into any of the coins that we talk about. Like, it's not because Coke did this, mag-bump yung BTC. No, it's not. But just the industry as a whole, I think this is really good.
Right. And to add, no, yung nakikita niyo yung jacket sa slide dyan, that's actually like one of the items that you can get in NFT. And the cool thing is, if you receive this NFT, no, parang you can wear this jacket na legit siya sa metaverse. Ano nga ba yung metaverse na pinag-uusapan dyan? So, looking up on Wikipedia, no, sila yung magaling mag-define. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the internet. Comment 1 if wala kayong naintindihan dyan. Kasi ako rin naman. Pero I think it's an interesting space kasi it's like parang VR na hindi. Pero basically, how you can like live there and actually like live and play out whatever you want. So like in
Sims.
Decentraland, for example, you can wear this jacket and you can express that you own this Coca-Cola jacket NFT. You were saying
Siguro good
next.
way. No, yeah, it was that. But for those who don't grasp it, I guess it can be confusing. So metaverse is like a new world. Like just imagine Sims. I'll just make it simple. Have you guys played Sims? Yung game
Yes.
na Sims. Just think about Sims. But okay,
Yeah, but
think about Facebook and Sims. Facebook, the way na yung friends natin siya sa Facebook. Pero Sims, you know, we have our avatars, we have our, like actually, usong-uto, ito yung ironic, no? It's making a comeback. Pero itong metaverse concept, this has been around early 2000s. Neopets. You guys remember that? The pet game? Before
Yes.
Infinity, metaverse. Si Level Up Games, naglabas siya ng ganyan. Bukod sa Ragnarok Online, yung isang kasabay, I forgot the name. Metaverse also. Ano
Oswald,
name?
Oswald,
Yeah,
Oswald,
Osworld, right?
something.
So this isn't new. It's making a comeback, and parang it was ahead of its time. I think, no, early 2000 was ahead of its time. Now it's making a comeback, and now look at what's happening. It's taking the
Comeback is
world.
real. Comeback is
Yeah,
real.
Yeah,
this is
nice.
the
Super nice idea, no?
Kahit
I
Neopets.
mean, trying to get concepts from the past and then try to evolve it further. But sa concept na to, it's not just about like the NFT thing itself. Parang Coca-Cola basically is trying to, I mean, at the back of your mind, trying to also market their product. It's really a good thing na parang they're keeping up with the new norm. So nice, it's nice. It's not just nice to think na unti-unti yung mga other brands that don't really talk about crypto, slowly they're talking about it as well indirectly. Yeah,
Agreed.
nice, nice. Oh, it's
parang
world,
may
bro.
naisip,
Bro.
parang may naisip ako guys dito sa
Ano?
topic na to. Parang gusto kong
Go.
parang maganda mag-launch ng PDAX NFT ah.
Uy, pwede. Comment naman kayo guys. PDAX NFT kung gusto niyo. Join
Exclusive
natin.
for PDAX premium users or verified users, no?
PDAX
Um,
batch.
and then we'll put it somewhere. It's interesting. It's nice. Let's
And then,
see if we get like some interest on that. Pero maganda,
ano,
maganda siya.
Tiguan
All
East.
right. Sige, think this is good. Na uhaw tuloy ako. Parang gusto ko,
O,
No,
Tim,
bro.
bigay mo naman
parang
ng
gusto ko uminom ng
Coca-Cola.
Coke.
Yan. Next. So last week, we talked about US crypto adoption, di ba? This week, we want to talk about the crypto population overall, right? So crypto population doubled to over 200 million users since January, report says. Crypto adoption has seen an accelerated growth this year, with the global crypto population doubling since January. It only took 4 months to nearly double the crypto population from 106 million in February to 203 million in May. This is with statistics from crypto.com. No? So the global crypto market size over time ballooned from 106 million at the start of the year to June, where it's now showing 221 million crypto wallets, crypto users, right? And very fun fact you might see here, no? Sa percentage of Bitcoin owners since the start of the year until today, from 67% yung Bitcoin, ngayon 51% na lang yung Bitcoin sa mga market share ng overall owners, no? So, ano yung meaning niyan? People are dipping into altcoins and different coins, not just Bitcoin, right? So, as you can see with other coins that we have on PDAX like Litecoin or even Bitcoin Cash or Link Engine, that's more of the 38%, right? So people are diversifying and becoming more, not just about Bitcoin now, but the story is now becoming more and more decentralized as it gets bigger. So I think it's very fascinating. Kaya, Tim, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's pretty obvious na like, especially with the current, parang recent approach of crypto space in terms of gaming, NFTs, parang slowly it was slowly pero surely na ano you manage to uh, attract more enthusiasts kasi it's something that you common grounds ninyo parang kumbaga kung may kaibigan ka mas madali mo sa kanyang mai-introduce yung crypto in general. I think there's also an effect na may mga ganun ng klaseng um, 'di ba? Parang way to introduce crypto kasi before parang it's so hard eh. Parang syempre when you talk about crypto, talk about payments, talk about Bitcoin, XRP, smart contracts. But right now, parang whatever happens, you just need to like tell them what the game is and then they will because the interest is already there. Parang very natural na yung approach. Where it says there, no, percentage of Bitcoin owners, new altcoins were eating the market shares of BTC and ETH. But I think dito lumalabas yung diversification of funds. No? And before kasi parang it's either you buy Bitcoin or others. Di ba? Parang Bitcoin is the future. Parang yun lang yung pinaka-option mo. Pero right now, people are starting to not just speculate or invest in BTC in general, but kasi right now there's already a lot of other altcoins that you can where you can invest na talagang fully backed ng mga malalaking venture capitalists eh. 'Di ba? Like may mga venture capitalists like Sequoia Capital, Polychain Capital, yan yung Bitcraft for gaming na you can see them having more confidence in investing in altcoins. Unlike before, na parang makakita ka ng altcoin, super shitcoin talaga yung lumalabas. So parang it's up to you na lang as an investor to look for the best or hidden gems in the market. So yeah, I think it's very evident nowadays. What do you think, next?
Well, I agree with everything you said, and this use specifically. Um, this is good. This is good. And the exciting part here, guys, is we're just getting started. Actually, ako, ang ano ko lang, sana, I'm still alive by the time that we really hit critical mass. Like, kasi I don't think it can happen this year or next year. Like, it's probably a decade, no, before like this becomes uh a day to day, like a stable staple ng sa buhay, no. I'm not saying crypto will replace fiat. No, that might not happen because credit cards did it, and they tried, they failed. Although this is a stronger, like there's more things happening here, but I think eventually you will get to the point that everyone in your family will at least know about it, no? Baka yung lolo nyo, baka wala ng account yung lolo nyo, pero yung tita nyo, tito nyo, they have, no? And they'll be doing this. Maganda kasi news natin nga US, last week US data lang, no? This is global data. It's very positive and I'm excited, no? And syempre, di ko maiwasan that part of excitement, us here at PDAX, we're part of this, no? One way or another.
Tama.
And I want to take the opportunity to thank everyone who's watching here and with us, no, and support PDAX. We're gonna be doing our best to push it forward and get more Filipinos in this space. So thank you for supporting us. Every like, comment, and share, that means so much to all of us.
Agreed, no? And
Wala si
Nag-agree si Katie sa may pipe mo. Walis na lang.
Hintayin natin siya. So, basa muna tayo ng comment habang hinihintay natin si Katie.
nawala ako. Sorry. Na-excite ako
Feedback,
masyado.
no? Pero, comment. Meron isang sabi si Carl. Sorry. Sabi niya, pwede kaya in the future of PDAX, meron na din sana dApps. Pwede kaya yun? Mas okay kasi sa PDAX, di nadadaan sa kahit anong platform. So maybe he's referring to decentralized applications. No? Very futuristic yung suggestion ni Carl. Although right now kasi yung pinaka-trajectory ng PDAX is to really offer crypto trading platform na very accessible, very affordable in rates. But we're not saying naman na it's gonna be just like that. But of course, there are a lot of possibilities. We're not closing doors. So who knows? That's a very futuristic idea. Just hopefully, kakasama pa rin tayo. So, nood ka lang lagi every Friday ng webinar natin.
Tama.
But it's possible. I mean, like, that's the beauty. Lahat na nakikita nating comments here, like, we see it, like, just because we can't flash everything here doesn't mean we don't acknowledge it. I see a lot of requests, no? I see D-Pet being mentioned, my D5 pet, no? Those things, we are doing our best to get them there. Okay, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but we are doing our best. So we see these then. Kaya thank you for suggesting.
Yan. Sige. Let's move on to our new section of the Crypto News Weekly. It's none other than Tim's Trading Corner. Let's learn more from Tim.
Think yung TT's Trading Corner naman.
Wala yan. Ako, amateur na ako. But everyone, now, this is what you're waiting for. We know you want to look at the charts, house price, and while I will just say right now, things have been recovering. So Tim will explain more about that. And ako naman, I'll play devil's advocate. Okay? Para balance naman. Hindi tayo maximalist tayo dito. Okay? So, before we get started, please lang, pa-like and share if you haven't already. And comment kayo, TTC. Tim's Trading Corner. Okay? Excited na ako. Go ahead, Tim.
Sabihin nyo rin muna sa akin, bullish or bearish kayo sa Bitcoin. Comment muna kayo. Sabihin nyo kung bullish or bearish in the next 24 to 48 hours.
Ayan, sige. Game. Go, Tim. We give you the spot muna. Go.
Sige. Actually, may prepare lang. So basically, Bitcoin price is trading in a positive zone above the 39,000 level against USDT. Obviously, it seems a lot of people tried to get in the market when it perfectly broke out 35,200 level, which most likely, people have waited for it for almost a month, and it accumulated below 35K level. So most people actually waited for it to be broken, para at least it's a good sign of breakout signal din, di ba? So if you look at it on a fundamental perspective, then it appears that the market has shifted its sentiments from being pessimistic to being optimistic this time after almost a month. Talaga, if you look at the chart, almost isang buwan below 35K level siya. People were already afraid whether it's is it going to be the end of a good bull cycle. So I would say there was really an effect when B-word event and Amazon rumors came out. And even up to this point, when Amazon denied it, sabi nila hindi daw totoo yung that they will accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. But probably people, didn't buy the news kasi Amazon has already announced that they're hiring more blockchain experts. So if you check sa site nila, it's contrary to what their CEO is saying. So most likely, baka bluff lang yun. They would say, papakalat ng balita na they will accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, as in the next day they would deny it. Then eventually, tanggapin na lang na ulit. Parang si Elon, di ba? So, in my opinion, BTC must stay above 40,000 level at least for a sustained upward move if we want to see a short-term perspective na bullishness. But given its current, I think RSI niya ngayon is at 69, having almost 40% increased over the past 6-7 days. So this is just definitely not an advice, no. But I really think that there should still be a slight correction that will happen. At least not below 35,000 level. Kasi technically that's yun na yung bagong resistance na binasag niya. And then that could be, if you also look at moving averages, 50-day moving averages, it should respect at least yung 35,000 level. And then retest ulit 40K. If mabasag niya na yun, then good news and for everyone. In my opinion, lastly, for me, taking profit at this stage, at least not all of your holdings, would be a good move as a trader. Kasi if it corrects at some point, tapos lahat inold mo pa din, sayang eh. You would have already earned at least right now if you bought the dip 30 to 40%. So that's just my take. If you think we should still hold, comment below. Kita niyo naman sa chart, sobrang mukha siyang, ano eh, hindi siya updated eh, pero if you look at it right now, slowly meron ng nauntog talaga na resistance, medyo nag-red candlesticks na ulit. And then it's an indicator na may well, in a way, it should look for its new support. If not, kung talagang basagin niya dire-diretso pataas, which I think it's not gonna happen yet, then it's depende on how the market will move. So comment kayo if you think we should still hold or TP na muna and then buy sa correction. So sabi ni View, TP na muna tapos buy ulit sa correction stage. Reynaldo, took profit muna ako and bili ulit.
May question,
Next.
may question ako. Before the devil's advocate, question lang, no? Kasi, baka may intrigue daw na ni Katie to balance it out. So, before that happens, I want to go back to the news before, no? So there are experts, no? Experts again, in this stage naman yun. I mean people study, pero no one knows for sure what's gonna happen. That's the facts. No? But there have been studies, there have been analysts, respected analysts, who are predicting. They were predicting even when Bitcoin was going down the past month or so. They were saying December 2021, BTC 100K. And then they were interviewed ulit. They still said BTC 100K end of 2021. Now my question is this it? Is that it, or it's gonna go down again? I'm not saying na mag 100K BTC. I'm just saying that there must be a rally there somewhere that gets close to 50,000 levels that would make us assume that it's going. But I guess my question is this the rally, or this isn't it. Yun lang. Para mas simple.
That's a good point, guys. I support you. So, ito na, guys. Ako, I'll play devil's advocate. Sabi nga ni Tim, so I took this morning eh. So, hindi pa siya updated. But it has shown red candles already right now. So, yung right now, 40,000 yung screenshot ko. Right now, it's at 38.6. So, if you were to make it peso, mga 1.9 na. Umabot ng 2.1 or, di man 2.1, basta 2 million. Now, it's back at 1.9 million. No? So, ako naman, parang 7 days or 1 whole week, parang straight akyat-akyat eh. No? And, is that healthy? I don't know. But it did show like good support talaga when it reached 30K. People bought at those levels and they took advantage of that. And from there, they just bili ng bili. But I did notice, I don't know, it's just me, parang yung volume as it goes up, as it went up, parang bumababa eh. Diba, if you see my mouse, the volume there, it's been decreasing eh, as the price has been going up. Parang people are more scared na it's been going up, so they haven't been buying as much. That also shows that maybe people this rally, this 7-day rally, is not as strong as we think it may be. I don't know. Speculations. Hashtag speculations. And also, when you trade, it's not really in certainties, right? It's always in probability. So I'm just, from a perspective of a trader, parang there will be a lot of volatility, I feel. So if you're a trader, I think you take advantage of that. If you're a hodler, relax. Just watch more Sailor Moon or just enjoy, and learn about more DeFi or more projects, or even look into NFTs, Mag-axing ka na muna while waiting for BTC's price. For ETH naman, go Nick.
So right now, you're thinking that it is still correct.
Yeah, I think it was still correct.
So same tayo. So next week, let's see how much BTC is.
Sige.
Wait, it was still correct. That's what you guys are saying. But what do you think about is it out in the realm of possibility 100K BTC or at least close to it? So I mean, I think 80 or 90. Do you think
Dude,
it can happen in 2021? Just
yeah,
that feeler
that's
feeling.
still hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. That's an easy yes, dude. Bitcoin is the most uh OG. That's a father. It's not gonna fail. I'm not scared of Bitcoin crashing. I secretly want it to correct so I can get more. Not financial advice, right? But uh, I'm just looking at trading it, right? So that you can then for those that denominate in BTC, di ba? Hindi nila tinitingnan yung PHP
Right.
value. They just say, I just want to accumulate more BTC. I want to own 5 BTC, 10 BTC. I'm not looking at the PHP equivalent. I'm not looking at the dollar equivalent. This is a chance for you, di ba? Like yung volatility wise. Anything is possible, Sir Nix. Tama naman. Anything is
I
possible.
don't think this year. Yes, pwede rin. Like again, we're not saying these are things happening, but I have a conspiracy theory I wanna throw around. Like because of the Amazon news, Amazon denied it. And I have a feeling something's gonna happen. This is again, I have no source. Hindi ako nanghuhula. I'm not. Sino yung mga nanghuhula? I'm not like that. But I have a feeling there's gonna be a coordinated pump in Q4. Coordinated pump meaning Amazon all of a sudden will announce we're accepting BTC. Tesla the next day will announce like these corporates talk. They talk. It's not a secret. They all know each other. There might come a week or a few days stretch in Q4 that all these companies who said they're not accepting Bitcoin, blah blah blah, sunod-sunod yung balita and then media rides up and then this goes up. I mean, we've seen this before. Now, again, this is just my hunch. We can all go back to this webinar if this happens and yeah, hey, tama ako. If not, mali ako. But like, I just have a feeling it's a cycle I've watched before. I've seen it over and over again. But hopefully, let's
Tama.
see. Something can
Tama.
happen.
And
Shoutout pala
also, go, go.
sorry, babalikin ka namin sa Q4 ah.
Sige, okay
Babalikin.
lang. Game, let's go. And
Natin yan.
also, if you really look at the longer timeline, parang last year, Bitcoin, we can't even see. We can't even see the level. But this time last year, Bitcoin was like 8K, mga 400K pesos. So, I mean, like, talaga, if you're playing the long game, you really cannot lose unless you just really are scared every time these drops happen. You must remember why are you doing this and also remember ano yung timeline nyo if you're investing or you're trading. Okay?
Correct. If you're scared, look for Michael Saylor.
Dang. Idol yan. Idol. Agree.
Yeah. Shoutout lang pala sa mga mga XRP army natin. Alam natin wala lang siya for today pero napakaganda ng balita, 'di ba? Regarding ODL or on demand liquidity. So, I think sa Japan siya. So that XRP community believe made the price action better, moved upward. So, ang ganda ng news. Definitely despite the current situation of SEC, of XRP with SEC, you can still see news na super very positive about XRP. So, if you're an XRP army, please comment. We want to know your thoughts. So, when in
Sabi
doubt,
nga, zoom out.
ganda. Okay. Nice.
Okay.
So, we're gonna talk about ETH naman today. And this time, it's Katie's trading corner.
Wala. Ano ko ba? It's not as detailed, no? Pero, victim here, victim. Weak hands, paper hands ako yata konti. Executed last week, right at the bottom. Sold at the bottom. If you see closely, at least for this week, no? Parang it hit a double bottom. And usually when it hits a double bottom, it's a bullish reversal, right? So that's what we exactly saw right there. Textbook. It hit support once of 1.8, umakyat, bumaba, back to 1.8, support again. There you go, double bottom. So right now, it's testing the resistance yet again. It actually surpassed it this morning, no? Yesterday it was like 2-3, eh. So it broke through this recent resistance, no? And am I certain or am I confident na uh, that people will be buying more ETH? Well, there are also right. Well, where there are also um, catalysts for this, right? Apart from the B word event, where Elon also disclosed that he owns ETH, there's also the fact that EIP 1559 is coming soon, very soon. So that's 6 days away, August 5th. No? Once that happens, the new change for Ethereum will happen, and people are expecting good news for it. Now, how do you prepare yourself if you're a trader? Maybe there will be lots of volatility, I feel, kasi people will be anxious or anticipating a new effect sa mainnet. Kasi they tested it na sa testnet eh. Okay naman, but then it's always different, right? Mainnet is mainnet, testnet is testnet. So there can be a possible buy the rumor, sell the news right there. Now when August 5 launches, bumaba siya and magko-correct siya. What I'm hoping for is that kung bumaba siya, will hit the previous support, no? The previous resistance para that can turn into support. That will usually indicate na magiging bullish na yung pattern. Kahit short term, okay? I'm not banking naman na this will go up, ano. Pero if it turns into support, I'd be confident na, wow, maybe this is the start of a new bull market, maybe. No? But again, this is not financial advice. And the next support naman after, the next resistance would be like 2.6 level. After 2.6, it would be mga 2.9. So I'd be looking at those key levels, right? If we break through those, I'll be ahead. Let's go. But for now, I'm still cautious, right? Uh, if you're trading this, right, you be cautious. Kasi also, volume's also dropping. Yung mouse ko hindi nakita. Pero yung volume's also dropping, so be careful. And have a plan. Right? Trade with a plan always. So yeah. Go! Nix and Tim. Bearish, bullish, or bullish, bullish, bullish?
Tim, ikaw muna.
If you move on the next slide, like,
Meron ba?
Ito yung counter argument ni Tim eh. Go, go, go.
hindi, actually, sa BTC kasi, lagi ko siya tinitingnan. Kasi, obviously, bull pennant yung ganitong pattern. And then, for me, we're still safe if we're inside it. Although right now, obviously, nasa support level ka. Yan. If you check if BTC trading pair. But if we try to break that bull pennant, then I would say that's when it will go up. Parang yun yung indicator kaya na parang if it breaks the resistance level, then it might create higher highs. But if that bounces na bumagsak pa dyan, mag-breakdown naman, then andun pa ako sa decision stage na I'm waiting for this pattern first to confirm whether it's a breakout or not. Pero looking at yung ETH USDT na chart kanina, obviously napaka-bullish. Bullish siya sa short term. Pero I would say same, it needs to be corrected. Like here, pag tumama siya dito sa hindi lang kita, pero umangat siya dyan, yung flag, I'm expecting na mauuntog siya saglit and then bababa pa. And then yun yung pinaka deciding factor kung tutuloy-tuloy siya. And if it breaks out, tingnan natin next week. So, kung ano mangyayari. Pero yeah, let's see. Tingnan natin next week anong mga mangyayari sa mga analysis natin na to. Hopefully, tama. So, what do you think, Nix? Ito si Mr. Mentalist.
Are you guys taking action though on that? Like just lang off the record, guys. Don't take it as financial advice. But are you guys gonna buy? Possible take profit opportunity.
For me, hihintayin ko muna kasi na ma-confirm siya eh. That's when I want to buy. Right now, medyo nandun pa siya sa consolidate pa siya sa area na yan. Parang for me, syempre kung talagang nagtitrade ka, ayaw mo naman bumili sa nandun ka pa sa sa decision stage. So if ma-break yan, saka ako bibili. If ma-break down yan, then definitely siya short ko si ETH. Ikaw.
Well, may na-realize ako dito sa Ethereum. Sa ano, I just realized na parang before kasi, my action is I always buy, no, I buy, I set a schedule and I decide like to add up on Ethereum, no. Kasi I'm subscribed to the idea na if I believe, if I feel that there is a possibility of Ethereum breaking or hitting 10K USD within the next 1 to 2 years, no, if we follow, if magtugma ang stars and the timelines of the transition to proof of stake, they say si Idol Sam Backman Friday says 8 months to 2 years is what they see. If that happens to them there and then there's some run, I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibility, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ako, for me, with that vision, like kasi I can ano I mean, okay lang sa akin eh. Wait, I'm not in a rush for it if I really believe in. So I buy, no. And I don't take profit sometimes even if it's tempting. Kasi I've already bought like low from very low. So sometimes like it's tempting to cash it out, but I just wait. But one thing I realized though, kasi I've invested into Axie Infinity. I have multiple teams now. I have some scholars, but don't message me for scholarships. No, it's closed now. Um, what I realized is they are actually it's in Ethereum eh. Those axes are Ethereum. So parang I just realized that parang I have a huge stake now. Now some of my Ethereum are locked up into these pets, into this digital pets. So parang
Tama.
medyo hilarious lang siya thinking about it. But yeah, so in a way, I still have been buying, but they're now in the form of axes, which I can liquidate din naman in time. But yeah, I like the news. I think hopeful for a strong close for you.
Tama. And uh, parang yung strategy of peso cost averaging, you cannot go wrong. Diba? And no matter what the market is, if you really are a long-term believer,
Chat Katie.
set as
May chat kami. Pero sige, go ahead.
okay. Set apart some funds, like this is not advice, right? But it's something I have been doing. Like whether market's up or down, you put some because you're in here for the long term, not just for the sprint, no. And if you have that mindset with life, wow, my life pa, then I don't think you can go wrong. Like um, uh, anything naman yung may um, anything that's worth obtaining or pursuing has to be long term. Like there's no shortcuts to success. What the heck? Life guru. Okay. Pero yeah, that should happen across all domains, right? So if you are a long-term holder, then why not? That's it. But if you are trying to get more alpha, then you know, technical analysis this way to infinity, to Axie infinity. All right. So with that being said,
Baka we can also share, Katie, about the EIP 1559. Kasi I think some um, people in the community or in the comment section has also mentioned that. Like
yeah,
konting ng protocol upgrade, what will happen, what's in it for us, toddlers.
sure. EIP 1559. In a nutshell, before, like right now, if you want to submit a transaction to the Ethereum blockchain, there is a chance na your transaction will fail because you did not put enough gas. So bakit pa yung gas importante? You use Ethereum, you use Ether or F in order to push your transaction onto the blockchain. Kasi database nga yung Ethereum, di ba? So miners are incentivized to choose the ones with the biggest gas fees so they can earn more. After EIP 1559, mangyayari is there will be a base fee that will be set na, like variable yung set na yan. And if you put that base fee into the Ethereum blockchain, your transaction, for sure it will not fail. Okay? So that's good kasi ito hindi ka naman sasayang in terms of time and also more ETH, right? So that will help. And apart from that, there will also be like a burning mechanism for ETH, and it will go less to the miners and more towards burning the supply of ETH. So it becomes more of like a supply decrease in a sense, right? So that may push things further up for ETH. So yep, that's EIP 155.
Lower gas fees.
Lower
Like
gas fees as well.
lower gas fees. Like if you just wanna make it simple, like that's something to look forward to. But still not gonna be. Can't expect na bilang piso na lang. It's not. It still costs something. But at least it solves the volatility. Minsan kasi parang one moment you see it's $30. Kurap ka saglit, biglang $59 na yung cost. And then, maghintay ka na 5 oras, $5 na ulit. Parang, di ba, it can get crazy. So, at least it solves that. But to clarify, no, this is not ETH 2.0. It's not yet. But that's still, they say, experts say, that's at least, even if Vitalik, he says, like, that's still like a couple years away. But yung mga optimism, no, I'm hearing from Sam back on Friday, no, FTX. I feel like 8 months is the optimistic, and then 2 years is the realistic. We'll see.
Tama.
I think we also need to parang respond because may mga community members tayo who are asking about network fees. Diba? Kasi like right now, the goal of the upgrade is also to minimize fees. Of course, ETH is trying to transition from proof of work algorithm to proof of stake. This is technically a way for them to transition. That's why they're already technically incentivizing like miners. So that technically, sabi nga ng core developer nila si Tim Bako na
Ikaw?
parang
Tim?
na si Tim Bako or basta core dev ni Ethereum Foundation yan. Work closely with Vitalik. Parang he said na parang he's suggesting na yung mga miners to in a way find a way na mag-break even na or take like profit before the year ends. Kasi eventually talaga they're already committed to transitioning to POS or proof of stake. But anyway, going back to our platform nga. Some people are asking parang why 0.01 si ETH. That's technically definitely something that we acknowledge. But we just want to remind everyone that constantly we are reviewing the structure. We are coordinating it internally. Like when you talk to us, we also report it internally. Like Nix, Katie, if you have suggestions, feedback, we talk to our team members internally then. In terms of yung network fees, it's currently being reviewed, and then we'll definitely let's just keep in touch. We'll let you know should there be any changes or whatever dun sa fee structure natin. Kasi marami nagtatanong PMs, comments. I just wanna also acknowledge that.
Yeah.
But yeah, sorry, but now, just gusto ko lang din iyabang parang sa ETH kasi natin super liquid ng prices. So if you think about it, kasi ikaw kung talagang bumibili ka in bulk ng crypto, what you're looking for is the price itself, not just the network fee. So let's say you want to buy Axie Infinity bets mo, diba? You need to, bibili ka nun in bulk. Hindi ka naman bibili na parang 1,000 worth of Ethereum lang, di ba? So, ang pinaka-importante sa'yo is liquid yung platform na sa order book, merong enough na Ethereum na pwede kang mabili. Na in the long run, if you, in a way, if you try to withdraw or to other networks na ERC20, technically that 0.01 will still not be significant. Kasi sa iba, granted, mababa na yung network fee. However, sobrang mahal naman ng Ethereum. So if you do the math, ano pa din eh, 800, 900 pesos is just parang a portion of that spread. So let's say, kunyari, 100,000 si Ethereum sa PDAX. Sa iba, I'm just being frank, no? Parang, kasi I also do it na parang I look for the best market where I can take advantage of cheaper crypto assets. Tapos nasa iba, nasa 106, 107,000. So think about it, if you're purchasing one Ethereum, you have to pay premium na 5, 6,000. What's what's 0.01 ETH versus the price difference? So, like that's one thing that we want to brag now. Super competitive na prices din sa PDAX. It's very liquid. So, especially if you're buying in bulk talaga.
So,
Yeah.
thank you, Tim. Thank you for sharing. And that, I guess that concludes our Tim's Trading Corner. Expect
And
this every week, all right? Expect this every week where you will be hit with the latest charts and latest analysis, and you will be seeing whether or not tama ba kami? Are we just fortune tellers? Or, I don't know, manghuhula lang ba kami? And, you
may
know,
gusto join, no? Na may technical analysis din. I mean, like, we're welcoming people who if you want to share your insights with us within the community, we can invite you over and, like,
Yeah.
share your TAs din. Kung nakikita ako sa community, nag-share sila ng TAs nila, just let me know or let
Yes.
Nix know, PM us, we'll
share,
respond.
share, join our community right there. Right there. Tama ba?
Remove ko yung sarili ko.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Scan it. Scan the QR code to join our Facebook community and also Telegram. All right. So with that, let's move on.
Well, yeah, actually, that's it for the news, no? But that doesn't end. Hindi pa naman tayo tapos, no? Let's go back lang quickly to our announcements, and
Yeah,
then we
sure.
can maybe in a few questions and then give away our prizes for today. So, choo-choo-choo.
Bakit ako yun nandyan?
Pogi ka eh.
Grabe naman. Sana may
There.
natutunan.
There we go. So PDAX again, guys. So if you are shopping and nag-aabang ka, no, mahilig ka sa mga sale, may paparating there na 8/8 sale. Just so you know, PDAX is available. PDAX vouchers, no. We have increments of 500 pesos, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. I'm not sure, baka mali ako, but those are like hundreds and thousands of pesos worth of cryptocurrency that you can buy, no, through Shopee vouchers available in our official Shopee mall. So just look for PDAX there, no. Kita nyo naman verified kami dyan. Para lang iwas scam. Pero for sure, PDAX yung makikita nyo dyan. It's there, guys. So I know na there are a lot of cash-in options within PDAX, and you are aware of that when you open your app. Nakita nyo. So what this really is, no, is if you have friends, if you have family members who are not aware about crypto, like maybe it's their first time or they haven't even tried, no, I think this is a good gift. No? It's a good gift or a good way to if you believe in crypto, no? Kunwari ikaw, nag-hold ka na XRP, bumibili ka ng BTC and Ethereum, tapos yung kapatid mo, tita mo, parang clueless. Alam mo yan, like, this is the time, like, you can be a good, pamangkin or kapatid or whatever, and buy them this, and then you give it to them, like, then just help them redeem or may instructions naman. But this could be a good way, and the reason why we put this on Shopee, because we know there are a lot of Filipinos who use Shopee, and there are a lot of Filipinos that still don't know crypto. They still haven't figured this out, and this could be an opportunity for them. No? So you can share the word, share this, give it to your friends. Yeah, and we're in Shopee. Abang tayo, 8/8 sale. We have something there
Yan.
happening.
Bang. And then finally, refer a friend plus, gain up to 10K worth of Bitcoin. And with Tim's expert analysis, joke lang, not financial advice, hashtag speculations, that can even double if BTC doubles from here, right? Double bubble. But for the month of August, to dispel the rumors of ghost months, di ba ghost month yung August? Yan, refer na lang kayo ng friend, gain up to 10K worth of Bitcoin. Yan.
Yeah. more information here dropping this weekend on how you can easily share and how you can earn. Um, so it's possible for anyone to earn up to 10,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. Not only are you earning, you're also helping friends, family members earn, get their first taste of BTC, all right, with our 50 pesos BTC giveaway. And again, this is a good way for you to earn extra and at the same time to help push this to your family. And the reason why I keep bringing this up is I realize something. I mean, syempre, I have holdings, I have investments on crypto. Pero parang my family members, they don't. And parang it's weird, like, and I believe so much in something, but I haven't shared it with people. Alam mo yun, like, so parang naisip ko pa, I think I'm not alone. Again, comment kayo if ganun din kayo. Parang ikaw lang sa family mo yung nagkaganito. Sobrang believer ka. Tapos, di ba, like, I think hindi lang ako nag-iisa eh. And this is the time for us to really, if we believe so much in something, why not share it, di ba? Why not share it to our loved ones? And syempre, there's risk, so you don't want them to lose anything. Pero, baka it's time that we start the conversation within our family or within our circle of friends. No? This could be a good way, guys. Because we're risk-free, they get 50 pesos BTC, kumita ka rin. Diba? So, might as well. Watch out our Facebook channel, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel, and our Facebook group, our Telegram group for more information on how you can get this referral program going so that you can also earn BTC.
Tama.
Yeah. Alam mo, bago lang din, share ko lang din, no? Kasi ito, on top of referral, saka Shopee. Pero lately kasi nagka-cash in ako lagi trade sa Grab. Ang ganda eh kasi dahil sa PDAX naging platinum ako. Tapos hindi man ako madalas nag-grab card. Pero ang ganda kasi nakabili ako ng mga free food lately dahil lang sa
Pa-burger naman.
Baka may mga nagtatry din. Bukod sa Shopee, try nyo din, explore nyo din yung GrabPay. Sulit eh. Sobrang sulit.
Yeah. Actually, when I bought into Axie Infinity, kasi I buy if on PDAX, no? So grabe yung volumes ko. So naging platinum member ako sa GrabPay. And then I got like sobrang dami kong points na naging enough na siya for groceries for a month.
Wow.
Plus order ng mga pizza or whatever. Like ganun level. So ang ganda nga ng GrabPay. I mean, we love all our cash-in options, but currently kasi GrabPay has promo. So might be something that to consider, guys. If you haven't tried it, no. We also run periodic promos with GrabPay. But do check it out, no? Kasi aside from the benefits you get with PDAX, si Grab din mismo, they give you these benefits, no, extra points, cashbacks and all that. So do check it out then if you haven't.
Tama. Yan.
So,
with that being said, we come to the end of our show. But syempre, if you followed us and you commented, liked, and shared this live, we're gonna be giving away one PDAX shirt and ilang vouchers, Nix? Ilang vouchers for
siguro let's give away 3 1,000 pesos na here, let's do it 5. Let's give away 5, no? 5 1,000 pesos worth BTC. Do you guys want BTC vouchers? Anong gusto nyo, guys? BTC, XRP, BTC na lang para isa lang since we highlighted it, no? So yeah, let's give away 3. Ilang may shirts? May shirts pa ba?
Yeah, may shirts pa yan. Tim, may shirts pa yan. Marami pang shirts pa yan, no?
Sige, let's give away para masaya, para more people will win. I just have to check real quick magkano yung denominations natin sa Shopee.
Sure, no worries. We'll give away the shirts first.
Ako nang wala pala. Yeah, sige, shirt, XRP, BTC. Okay, 500. Sige, let's give away para marami manalo 5 pieces na 500 pesos BTC.
Let's go! Exciting! Comment. Buksan ko lang lights.
Salamat, PDAX at Shopee.
Yeah, dog. Ready? Let's pick shirts na muna tayo. One shirt. One shirt. You know, kasi yung focus is yung Shopee voucher. So, I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna choose right now. I'm gonna choose right now. Choose right now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yon! Congratulations, Leo J. Ramos, for winning a crypto PDAX shirt. So yung family siguro, they say scam. Well, sir, hindi na to scam kasi may PDAX shirt ka na. So you can tell them, PDAX is the BSP license digital asset exchange, no? So I hope.
Yan.
Wait lang. Last natin siya na. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, I'll take note lang kasi baka magka-confusion since it's been a while na namigay tayo ng magkakaibang price. So let's write
Sure,
it down
yeah.
lang. So take a screenshot, no, Leo J. Ramos. We will be sending this kasi to our team para mabigay sa inyo yung tamang price. So for Leo J. Ramos, this is a PDAX shirt raffle. Okay? So take a screenshot and then message our official Facebook page. We have the blue check mark. Ingat po tayo sa mga scam na wannabe PDAX na page. Ingat tayo doon. Okay? Cool.
Yeah.
Game.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's win. Let's win. Let's win. Choose na tayo.
Ako na, no?
Yeah, go, Tim.
Ay, sige, game. Nice. Ito pa yung kanina?
Ala, doble! Pero wag. Sorry, Leo. Okay na.
Give chance to
Nanalo
others.
ka na.
Okay.
Give chance to others.
Alright. Next. Panalo ng voucher.
500 pesos worth of BTC. BTC QT, let's go! Mr. Patrick, congratulations. BTC QT. Yan. Thank you. Congratulations for winning 500 pesos. So, as what we said nga, screenshot this. And then to claim your prize, send it to our PDAX Facebook page. Okay? Yung official lang, okay? We'll send instructions after on how to claim. Go, Nix. Your choice. 4 more, guys. 4 more winners. 4 more winners.
Itong next BTC din.
Iba naman. ETH, no?
Hindi ba I mean, ano pa rin? Crypto vouchers or shirt? O ba yung shirt?
Ano na lang? Vouchers na lang. Diba?
Sige. Let's go. Sige guys, parang ano lang, to add, no? Baka you have questions, we can answer probably 2 questions, no? So, medyo diversified yung comments natin. Parang, ano tayo eh. Parang puro yung comment na lang, no? So, we want to drive then meaningful conversations. But anyway, I'll pick one. So, I'll scroll. I won't look. Dito, titin sa camera.
Game.
Alright.
Sige.
There we go. Joyce Cassandra T. Firma. You win 500 pesos worth. Okay, BTC care of our Shopee vouchers. Again, guys, Shopee, all we are now available there.
Yun.
Tag nyo yung, kasi right now is International Friendship Day. Baka may best friend kayo na gusto nyo matuto about crypto, tag nyo sila sa comment section para more chances of winning. Alright? So yun,
Sige, dapat
pipili natin yung tag nila yung kaibigan nila.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sige. So tag your friend, you know, if you're watching this from a Facebook page, no, or go to our Facebook page and tag someone there. Tag your friend, no, your best friends. Baka wala pa alam sa crypto. Tag them below. Right? Here's what we'll do. Here's what we'll do. Let's be creative with this one. Both of them will win 500 pesos. BTC.
Let's go.
Mayor.
Tag your friends. As someone who has never heard of crypto before, send to notification na to. But regardless, no, we will give it to you and then kayo nang bigay sa friend mo, no? Okay? Like, trust na lang. Wag mo lang dayain yung friend mo, okay? But let's do it. One draw na ganon, right? Sige, let's give them 10 more seconds to tag their buddies, no? Didn't know that, it's International Best Friend Day.
Yun,
International
no?
Best
Oo
Friend
nga
Day.
eh.
30.
As in
Kayo
best
best
friend
friend
or
ko.
friend?
Friendship day. So, syempre, yung mga best friend mo, supportahan ka. Tag mo
Bestie.
ba mga hindi ka nila supportahan eh. Ayan, dami na nagko-comment. Alright. Sino ang pipili sa atin?
Go, pili ka na natin.
Go natin.
Ako na. Sige ka naman ako So, sino yung mga nagko-comment dyan? Mas mabilis mapipili. Alright. Uy, grabe naman. Sobrang swerte naman ito ni Reynaldo. Alam mo, masugid na yan eh. No?
Si Ronaldo ba yung nasa Spain?
Yes, sir.
Oo.
Kami
Grabe,
lagi Ronaldo. Congrats. So, kayo ni Jennifer will get 5.
Friday eh. Alright.
Actually, nire-reward mo eh. Parang nire-reward ng crypto gods yung yung mga loyal viewers eh. So, alam niyo na guys, ang inyong formula. You have to tune in every Friday for opportunities like this.
Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have one more. Let's do one more. Figure this last one. Do we have an extra shirt?
Yeah, we have extra shirts.
How about this last draw? Shirt and voucher.
Wow! Sarap na nga.
Governor.
Shirt and voucher. Alright, let's do it.
500 pesos worth of BTC or XRP or ano?
This time, sige. BTC na rin, BTC na rin. BTC plus t-shirt. Pero this time, 3 of your friends naman ang tatag mo. Challenge naman. 3 kaibigan mo naman.
Paano na? Paano is-split mo yung shirt? Mas split mo ba yung shirt? Ito na lang. We'll send 3 shirts. Yan, kasi last na rin eh. Ayan, 3 shirts.
Okay,
500 pesos na, 3 shirts. Sabihin mo, sige, split na tayo sa shirt. Sa akin na lang yung Bitcoin, no problem. Ayan. Ikaw naman yung nanalo eh. Okay lang yan. Game, guys. Game. 3 PDAX shirts.
Baka bigla black market for this shirt.
3 PDAX shirts and 500 pesos worth of Bitcoin credited to your PDAX account. Let's go! 10 more seconds, mga ka-PDAX. Tigit-tigitin. Next time, mag-play rin tayo ng background music para more fun.
3 shirts and 500 pesos. Okay? 3 shirts. So, ang mangyayari doon, ang bibigyan na shirt yung friends niya or may isang friend na kawawa walang ma-receive. Tapos, regardless, it's up to you how you want to,
Exactly. And tsaka, if you think about it, di ba, parang, sa'yo na lang yung 500. Tapos, 3 kaibigan mo, sila na yung may shirt.
Kaso feel ko gusto rin ng iba na shirt eh. May mga iba dito sabi, shirt na lang. Bigyan nyo ako ng shirt. Siguro, hirap na rin kasi maglaba ngayon, pandemic. Kaya...
Oo nga eh.
Araw-araw PDAX shirt.
Buong linggo, umuulan eh, no? Yan, PDAX shirt na lang. Bang! PDAX t-shirt ka na lang. Ready na. Ano? Ako na lang pipili.
Yeah, go. Wait lang. Before you pick, no? Disclaimer lang siguro, yung mga nanalo na today, pag kayo yung napili, sorry, pero we will have to pick another one. Just so that everyone has a chance to win.
Agreed. Okay. Sige. I will now be choosing. 3, 2, 1. Dexter!
Esto.
Congratulations, Dexter! 3 PDAX t-shirts, 500 pesos worth of BTC. Please screenshot and then send to our Facebook page. Ano sabi niya, kapag nanalo ako, bibigyan ko kayo bahay at lupa. Tapos sasabihin ninyo, PDAX number 1. Ayan, pangako mo ha. Yan, you have to bring it na. Make it come to life, Mr. Dexter. Congratulations. Congratulations.
That means sad. Guys, that means sad because this will be happening every week, no? This will be happening every week. So stay tuned. And hindi lang ito yung chances, no? Actually, naisip akong idea. Remember our first news item? Sige nga, challenge guys. Kung may nakakalala ng first news item namin today, it starts with letter Y. Okay, comment nyo nga. Pag yung unang mga comment, no? Yung unang mga comment nun, 500 pesos worth BTC. Ano yung una naming news item? Comment, this is your chance. Ano yung una namin pinag-usapan dito?
Senator
Kasi
na talaga.
Senator Nix.
Kim.
Ayan guys, one more chance.
Nauna si Kim. Nauna si Kim Palasigi. Nanalo na ba siya today?
Hindi pa yata.
Yun.
Click ka to. Thank you, sir, for listening.
Actually, let's do 2 winners. Kasi gusto ko yung sobrang specific mo kay Bench Daluso. Let's do 2 winners, okay? Let's flash. Let's flash Kim Palasigu, sorry, and Bench Daluso. Ayan. Take a screenshot dito, Bench. And si Kim, no? Naka-screenshot ka na, Bench. So, 3, 2, 1. And then Kim, screenshot. Alright. Last na yan. Okay, last. And here's why, no? The reason why I asked this, why I shared. So, na-list ba natin? Teka, nililista ko rin. Kim, Palasiki, 500, Bench. Anyway, the item, because I remember the last part of that where we were saying YDG, you can earn their coin by contributing to the community. Parang this game, we talked about this in our meeting, and just to share everyone in the spirit of transparency, but we can do something similar inside our community. So for those who are part of our Facebook group, what we really want is for the PDAX Facebook community to be a place where beginners talaga can learn more about crypto, and even people who are a little bit more advanced to also learn from other peers and to share. So parang we might be rolling out maybe something in the future where people can get rewarded for being active contributors in the group. Whether that's sharing your technical analysis, whether you're giving back, helping newbies. I think that's a good model. And sa mga sad na hindi kayo nananalo sa raffle, like, you know what? Will be opportunities as well. So keep watching here and be part of our community. So yung QR code na yan, scan it if you're not yet part, or just type in PDAX, official PDAX community. Join, no? There might be more surprises in store for you guys.
Thank you guys so much for joining us, and quotan talaga kami sa prizes. Pero thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. This is the rebranding of the same show, Crypto News Weekly, but we intend to really deliver the most entertaining show for you guys, and we hope you support us. And if you want more, scan the QR code, learn more about PDAX, get started to trade today if this is your first day watching us, if this is your first time watching us. And also, join the community kasi we have a live Telegram group right now with over 2,000 members, mga 2,800 na yata ngayon. Our community, Facebook community, dami na talaga. So we really encourage you to join, So with that being said, have a nice weekend, everyone. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, guys.